big celebration called Seafair. Oftentimes Boeing will introduce a new airplane model by flying it over Lake Washington. And as part of the Dash 80's demonstration program, Bill Allen invited representatives of the Aircraft Industries Association and the International Airport Transport Association to Seattle for the 1955 Seafair and Golden Cup hydroplane races that are held on Lake Washington. On August 6, 1955, the Dash 80 was scheduled to perform a simple flyover, as it normally is done, but Boeing test pilot Alvin Tex Johnston instead performed a barrel roll to show off the airliner. He was immediately fired. The next day, Allen summoned Johnston into his office and told him not to perform such a maneuver again, notwithstanding Johnston's assertion that doing so was completely safe. It's a 1G maneuver. It's completely non-hazardous, but very impressive, explained Johnston to Allen. The legacy of the 707 barrel roll lives on. Boeing Chief Test Pilot John Cashman has stated that just before he piloted the maiden flight of Boeing 777 on June 12, 1994, his last instruction from then Boeing President Phil Condon were, no rolls. Needless to say, the barrel roll had a huge impact, and after designing an Everett extra 16 inches,